Chairman of the All Progressive Congress APC for Edo State, David Imuse, don't talk say may they ask Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki of the 37 billion naira money from federal government. The APC state chairman can talk say 16 billion naira na money wey federal government reform for federal road where the former governor of Edo State, Adams Oshomole, complete, and say 21 billion naira na oil derivation fund where they keep to develop oil producing areas for the state, and say Governor Obaseki need to come tell the state wetin he use the money do.
I'm addressing you today with regard to the recent statement made by the Edo State government regarding the state of federal roads in Edo State. We want to use this forum as a vehicle to bring the attention of the good people of Edo State to the failures of the current administration led by Godwin Obaseki, which greatly exacerbated the issue at hand. First and foremost, it is important to note that the Benin Stormwater Project, which was intended to address the issues of flooding and erosion in Benin City, was not completed by Godwin Obaseki's junta. This lack of progress has contributed to the worsening flood and erosion problems in our state. Furthermore, the partyless government led by Mr. Godwin Obaseki has engaged in gross misuse of funds allocated to Edo State by the federal government over time. You are aware that over 16 billion was refunded to the state under the watch of Obaseki for the federal roads fixed by his predecessor in office, Senator Adams Oshomole, during his tenure as governor. Additionally, another 21 billion was given to Edo State government from the oil derivation funds, which are intended for oil-producing states like ours, for infrastructural development, roads inclusive. What we know is that Godwin Obaseki presided over the misappropriation of these monies without recourse to the critical sector of our living. In addition to these financial improprieties, Godwin Obaseki has shown a disturbing pattern of demolishing public and private properties, including but not restricted to the Central Hospital, which land he allocated to his friends to build a museum that will not see the light of day. Instead of prioritizing crucial infrastructural development, Mr. Obaseki has chosen to build supermarkets all over Benin City, which are over 45% owned by him and his cronies. This action demonstrates a clear lack of vision, responsibility, and a disregard for the well-being of the people of Edo State. It is unacceptable that the governor will prioritize personal interests over addressing the urgent needs of our transportation infrastructure, among other areas, and great importance to Edo people.
David Imuse Kosti talk say Governor Obaseki give Central Hospital land to his friends and say the governor dey use the state money dey build supermarket where he get 45% inside, and say make Edo people not believe anything where the governor dey talk sake of say federal government get Edo people for mind.
The statement made by Edo State government accusing the federal government of neglecting its responsibility is a clear attempt to divert attention from these failures and mismanagement. It is disheartening to see such petty politics being played when the lives and safety of innocent Edo citizens are at stake. I assure the good people of Edo State that the APC-led federal government is committed to addressing the road infrastructure challenges in our state. We understand the frustration that our citizens face on a daily basis, and we are dedicated to finding a lasting solution since the governor has abandoned his responsibilities. The federal government is prioritizing and expediting the necessary repairs on major federal roads across the nation. The lives and well-being of Edo people, like that of all Nigerians, is too vital to politicize as Obaseki has been doing. We urge the people of Edo State not to be deceived by the propaganda and political games of the Obaseki administration. The burning question Edo people should ask Obaseki is, what did he do with the 16 billion refunded by the federal government to Edo State as monies used by his predecessor to repair the federal roads, coupled with the 21 billion derivation fund? We must see through these falsehoods and hold Governor Obaseki accountable for his failures. His lamentation is the last kick of a dying horse. The APC-led federal government remains committed to working for the betterment of Edo State and its citizens.
From Benin City, Arerusogene Ejo, TMC TV News.